Today we are going to looking at Cambridge International AS and A-Level Mathematics Paper 1 Pure Mathematics 1 9709/13 October-November 2022. The first question is, solve the equation 8 sine square theta plus 6 cos square theta plus 1 equal to 0. Here one term is in sine and one term is in cos. So we have to try to convert both into sine or cos. So let us, sine square is given. So let us convert that into cos square. And we know sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 8 multiplied by 1 minus cos square theta plus 6 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So minus 8 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta plus 1, and write that 8 here. This is equal to 0. So it can be written as 8 cos square theta minus 6 cos theta minus 9 equal to 0. Let us solve this quadratic equation in cos theta. So cos theta is equal to minus 6 will become plus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by negative 9, the whole thing divided by 2 multiplied by 8. So on simplification we get this as 6 plus or minus 18 divided by 16. So 6 plus 18 divided by 16 gives 3 over 2. 6 minus 18 divided by 16 is minus 3 over 4. And theta equal to cos inverse of 3 over 2, comma theta equal to cos inverse of minus 3 over 4. For theta equal to cos inverse of minus 3 over 4, we get the theta value as 138.6 degree. So theta is equal to 138.6 degree. The next question is, the function f is defined by f of x equal to minus 2x square minus 8x minus 13 for x less than minus 3. Express f of x in the form minus 2 multiplied by x plus a the whole square plus b, where a and b are integers. So we have to complete the square. So f of x equal to minus 2x square minus 8x minus 13. So take out minus 2 outside, you will get x square plus 4x minus 13. So to complete the square, we have to check the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this can be written as x plus 2, the whole square. From that you have to subtract 2 square minus 13. So minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 square is negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 8 minus 13. So f of x is minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 the whole square. 8 minus 13 is negative 5. So this is the expression. Find the range of f. So here it's given x is less than negative 3. So first let us check what is the value we are getting for f of x when we are substituting the x value as negative 3 minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 2 the whole square minus 5. So minus 3 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 the whole square is positive 1. So minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. F of x is less than minus 7. So this is the range of f of x. Find an expression for f inverse of x. So y is equal to minus 2 x plus 2 the whole square minus 5. This can be written as 2x plus 2 the whole square equal to minus of y plus 5. So x plus 2 the whole square is minus of y plus 5 divided by 2. And x plus 2 is plus or minus square root of minus y plus 5 divided by 2. So x equal to plus or minus square root of minus minus y plus 5 divided by 2. The whole thing, from the whole thing 2 is get subtracted. Now write f inverse of x is plus or minus square root of minus, replace y by x, you will get x plus 5 divided by 2 minus 2. Next, question number 3. Find the first three terms in the ascending powers of x in the expansion of 1 plus 2x the whole power 5. So we have to write the ascending powers of x. So total number is 5. So 5CR. So for R we will start giving the value from 0. So 5C0, 1 power 5, 2x power R value is 0 here. So plus 5C1, 1 power 4, 2x power 1 plus 5C2, 1 power 3, 2x power 2. So they ask only the first three terms. So we will write only the first three terms. 5C0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 power 5 is also 1. 2x power 0 is also 1. So the first term is 1. The second term is 5C1 is 5. 1 power 4 is 1. 2x power 1 is 2x. Plus 5C2 is 10. 10 multiplied by 1 power 3, that is 1. So 2x power 2. 2 power 2 is 4x square. So the first three terms are 1 plus 10x plus 40x square. Find the first three terms in ascending powers of x in the expansion of. Now another expansion is given. For that also we'll write here n is 4. So 4c 0 1 power 4 minus 3x power 0 plus 4c 1 1 power 3 minus 3x power 1 plus 4c2 1 power 2 minus 3x power 2. So this is equal to 4c1 is 4c0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 power 4 is 1. Minus 3x power 0 is also 1. So first term is 1. Second term is 4c1 is 4. 1 power 3 is 1 minus 3x. So 4 multiplied by 3x. So here we have to put a minus sign. Plus 4c2 is 6. 1 square is 1 minus 3x square is 9x square. So on simplification, we get this first three terms in this expansion is 1 minus 12x plus 54x square. The next part of the question is, hence find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of. So already we found for these two expressions, we found the first three terms. Let's write those terms. So 1 plus 10x plus 40x square multiplied by 1 minus 12x plus 54x square. So in order to get a x square term, so 1 will be multiplied with 54x square and 10x is multiplied by minus 12x and 40x square is multiplied by 1. So 1 multiplied by 54x square is 54x square. The next term is negative 10x multiplied by negative 12x, that is negative 120x square. Then 40x square multiplied by 1 is 40x square. So now let's simplify this one. 54x square minus 120x square plus 40x square gives negative 26x square. So now we need to find the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is negative 26. A large industrial water tank is such that when the depth of the water in the tank is x meter, the volume Vm cube of water in the tank is given by V is equal to 243 minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 minus x cube. Water is being pumped into the tank at a constant rate of 3.6 meter cube per hour. Find the rate of increase of the depth of water when the depth is 4 meter. giving your answer in centimeter per minute. Here V is given 243 minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 minus x the whole cube. So let us differentiate this one with respect to x. dv by dx. So 243 gets cancelled. It will become 0 minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 9 minus x the whole power 2. And minus x is there inside the bracket, so you have to put one negative 1. So you should not forget to put the negative 1. So 3 gets cancelled. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 1. So this is equal to 9 minus x square dv by dx. So it's given water is being pumped into the tank at a constant rate of 3.6 meter cube per hour. So before that, let's find out what is dv by dx value when x is 4. That is the water depth is 4 meter. So 9 minus 4, the whole square is 25. Now let us find out what is the rate of change of depth. So dx by dt equal to 1 over 25 multiplied by 3.6 and multiplied by 100 over 60. So this is equal to 0.24. The diagram shows a curve which has a maximum point at 8, 12 and a minimum point at 8, 0. The curve is the result of applying a combination of two transformations to a circle. The first transformation applied is a translation of 7, negative 3. The second transformation applied is a stretch in the y direction. The question A part is state the scale factor of the stretch. So you have to find the scale factor here, and it's mentioned the transformation applied is a stretch in the y direction. If you apply a stretch in the y direction, there will be no change in the x-axis value, only y-axis value will get changed. And it's mentioned it is a circle, so there will be no change in the x-axis. So this will be the diameter of the circle. So the radius is 2. Radius of the circle is 2. Now let us see how much it got stretched along the y direction. So this is one circle, one stretch. This is 2 and this is 3. So totally it got stretched by 3 times. So the stretch scaling factor is 3. State the radius of the original circle. So we found already the radius of the original circle is 2 units. State the coordinates of the center of the circle after the translation has been completed, but before the stitch is applied. So you have to find the coordinate of the center of the circle after the translation, before the stitching. So before the stitching means it is stitching applied only along the y direction. So 3 steps if you go down, you'll get it, because this is the first stitch, this is the second stitch. So this part is the original part, and we know the radius is 2, so the circle must be in this part. So this will be the center of the circle. So the coordinate is 8, 2. The next part is state the coordinates of the center of the original circle. So center of the original circle means before applying the translation also. So the translation is 7 minus 3. Translation vector is 7 minus 3. And after applying the stitch, before applying the stitch, it is at this point 8, 2. So from 8, 2, from 8 we have to subtract 7 to get the original x-axis position value, which is equal to 1. So from 2 you have to subtract minus 3. So the original value will be 5. So the original circle, coordinate of the center of the original circle is 1, 5. So this will be the original value. So it is given that alpha equal to cos inverse of 8 over 17. Find, without using the trigonometric function on your calculator, the exact value of 1 over sine alpha plus 1 over tan alpha. So we have studied like this. Suppose consider this is a triangle and alpha is the angle. Let's mark alpha here, and this is right angle. So from given alpha is equal to cos inverse of 8 over 17, we can write this as cos alpha equal to 8 over 17. So cos alpha is nothing but adjacent over hypotenuse. So here this is 17 and this is 8. Since it is the right angle triangle, we can find out the other side. The other side will be 17 square minus 8 square, which is equal to 15. So now we know the other side also, that is the opposite side, which is 15. So from this we can write what is sine alpha. Sine alpha is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 15 over 17, plus tan alpha is 15 over 8. So this can be written as 17 over 15 plus 8 over 15, which is equal to 25 over 15, or 5 over 3. So 1 over sine alpha plus 1 over tan alpha equal to 5 over 3. The next question is the curve y is equal to f of x is such that f dash of x equal to minus 3 over x plus 2 the whole power 4. The tangent at a point on the curve where x equal to a has a gradient minus 16 over 27. Find the possible values of a. So f dash of x is given. So when x equal to a, the gradient is minus 16 over 27. That is f dash of a is equal to minus 16 over 27. So substitute x equal to a in f dash of x. That is minus 3 over a plus 2 the whole power 4 equal to minus 16 over 27. So this is equal to a plus 2 a plus 2 the whole power 4 equal to 3 multiplied by 27 divided by 16. So a plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3 over 2. So a is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 3 over 2. So a is equal to minus 2 plus 3 over 2. Then it is minus 1 over 2. Minus 2 minus 3 over 2. Then minus 7 over 2. Find f of x given that the curve passes through the point minus 1 comma 5. So you have to find the function f of x. F inverse is f dash is given, so you have to find f of x that you can get by integrating. So first let us write what is f dash of x, which is equal to minus 3 divided by x plus 2 the whole power 4. Let us write this as minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 the whole power negative 4. Then after integration you will get f of x equal to minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 the whole power minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. This negative 3 gets cancelled. So now f of x is x plus 2 the whole power negative 3 plus c, and it's given it passes through the point minus 1 comma 5. So find out f of x at minus 1 comma 5 to get the value of c. So 5 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 the whole power minus 3 plus c. So c is equal to 5. Minus 1 plus 2 will be, you will get positive 1. Positive 1 power, whatever it is, you will get positive 1 only. When it goes to the other side, it will go as negative 1. So c value is 4. So f of x is x plus 2 the whole power minus 3. So you can write that as x plus 2 the whole power 3. So 1 over x plus 2 the whole power 3 plus c value is 4. Next, question number 8. The diagram shows two identical circles intersecting at points A and B and with centers at P and Q. The radius of each circle is r and the distance PQ is 5 over 3r. Find the perimeter of the shaded region in terms of r. So perimeter of the shaded region, that is A to B this side and this side. So both the side we have to add, and we see this is a sector. Suppose if you join P and B, so this is a sector of a circle, and this is the AB is now a arc length. Okay, to calculate arc length we need the R value and the angle value. So let us try to find out the angle here. Now see PQB is looking like a triangle. Okay, and we know PQ value and we know what is BQ and what is PB. PB is also R. So now we know three sides. Then it is easy to find the angle by using cosine rule. So we will use the cosine rule to find out the angle. So angle BPQ. Angle BPQ. So cos BPQ equal to R square plus 5 over 3 R square minus R square divided by 2 multiplied by R multiplied by 5 over 3R. And here it is 5 over 3R the whole square. So let us try to simplify this one. R squared minus R squared gets cancelled, and you will get it as 25 over 9 R square divided by 10 over 3 R square. This R squared gets cancelled. This will get as 5 over 6. So let's find out the angle BPQ. angle BPQ is cos inverse of 5/6. Let us find out the answer in radians. Zero point 0.5857 radians. So now we got the angle BPQ. This angle we got. We know this side is also equal. So now angle BPA is twice the angle of BPQ. So angle BPA is twice the angle of BPQ. That is 2 multiplied by 0.5857. So which is equal to 1.171 radians. So now we know the angle and we know the radius is r, and let us find out the arc length AB. Arc length AB is r theta. So 1.171 multiplied by r. So to find the perimeter of the shaded region, in this diagram we can see the perimeter is of the shaded region is AB, this arc length plus this arc length. So both are equal. So perimeter is 2 times the arc length of AB, that is 2 multiplied by 1.171 multiplied by r. So which is equal to 2.34 r. So the perimeter is 2.34 r. The next part of the question is find the area of the shaded region in terms of r. Let us consider the arc. The sector APB and join this A and B. Now you will get a sector APB and the R. Triangle APB. The sector minus the triangle, you will get this area, this shaded portion. Sector minus the triangle gives this shaded portion. For the circle with the center Q, if you do the same thing, that is sector minus the triangle, you will get this part. So in that way, you will get the shaded area only. It's to find the area of the shaded region. So we'll write 2 times, because for circle P and as well as for circle Q, sector area minus triangle area. what is the sector area here? It is of r square, and the angle is 1.171 minus triangle area is of r multiplied by r, that is r square, sine angle is 1.171. So on simplification, we get 0.25 r square. The next part of the question is, the first term of a geometric progression is 216 and the fourth term is 64. Find the sum to infinity of the progression. So the first term is given. The first term is nothing but a. So a is equal to 216. Fourth term is a r power 3 equal to 64. Find the sum to infinity. So to find the sum to infinity, we need the r value. By using these two equations, let us find the r value. So ar cube divided by a gives 64 divided by 216. You will get r cube equal to 64 divided by 216. So r equal to cube root of 64 divided by 216, which is nothing but 2 over 3. So now we got a value and r value. The sum to infinity is a divided by 1 minus r. A is 216 divided by 1 minus 2 over 3, which is equal to 648. So the sum to infinity is 648. The next part of the question is, the second term of a geometric progression is equal to the second term of an arithmetic progression. The third term of the geometric progression is equal to the fifth term of the same arithmetic progression. Find the sum of the first 21 terms of the arithmetic progression. The second term of the geometric progression is a r equal to the second term of the arithmetic progression is a plus d. The third term of the geometric progression is a r square. It is equal to the fifth term of the same arithmetic progression. Fifth term is a plus 4d. So next, find the sum of the first 21 terms. To find the sum of the 21 terms, we need to find the value of a and d. So by using these two equations, so a are equal to a plus d, which means a plus d is equal to a multiplied by r. A is 216. A is 216 and r is 2 over 3. 216 multiplied by 2 over 3, which is equal to 144. So next is a plus 4d equal to 216 multiplied by 2 over 3 the whole square, which is equal to 96. Now we get two linear simultaneous equation. Then it's easy to solve it. So a plus d is equal to 144 and a plus 4d equal to 96. So subtract, you will get 3d is equal to minus 48. So d is equal to minus 16. And a is 144 minus 16. This side when it comes, it will become plus. So this is equal to 160. So in arithmetic progression, the a value is 160 and d value is negative 16. So now let us find out the sum of first 21 terms. So n divided by 2, 21 divided by 2 multiplied by 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 160 plus n minus 1 is 20 multiplied by d value is negative 16 and 2 multiplied by 160 plus 20 multiplied by negative 16 gets cancelled. So the sum of first 21 term is 0. Next, question number 10. The diagram shows the circle x square plus y square equal to 2 and the straight line y is equal to 2x minus 1 intersecting at the point A and B. The point D on the x-axis is such that AD is perpendicular to x-axis. Find the coordinate of A. So in order to find the coordinate of A, let us see that the circle and the line are intersecting at the point A. So A is a point on both circle as well as the line, so it satisfies that. So we can substitute the equation of the line y is equal to 2x minus 1 into the circle equation. So x square plus 2x minus 1 the whole square equal to 2. X square, expand this one, we will get 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So 5x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Let's factorize this one, AC and B value. AC value is 5 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 5 and here B value is negative 4. So write the factors of 5, 1 and 5. So both the numbers are negative, so we have to put a negative sign. We have to place a negative sign in front of the bigger number. And now write 5x square minus 4x can be written as minus 5x plus 1. That is 1x minus 1 equal to 0. From these first two terms, take out 5x. You will get 5x multiplied by x plus 1. Sorry, x minus 1. And here we can write this as 1 multiplied by x minus 1. Now take out x minus 1 commonly, then you will get 5x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to x minus 1 is 0, that is x equal to 1, or 5x plus 1 equal to 0. So we can write 5x equal to negative 1. So x equal to negative 1 over 5. So we have to find the coordinate of A. So A is on the right hand side, that is in the positive side. So we'll take the positive value of x. So when x equal to 1, y is equal to 2x minus 1. So A is 1 comma 1. The coordinate of the point A is 1 comma 1. Find the volume of revolution when the shaded region is rotated through 360 degree about the x-axis. Give your answer in the form pi over A multiplied by B square root of C minus D, where A, B, C and D are integers. So you have to find the volume when the shaded region is rotated. So first let us find out what is y square. So here x square plus y square equal to 2. So y square equal to 2 minus x square. So volume is equal to pi over y square is 2 minus x square. And the limit is since a is 1 comma 1, this point is also 1. And a is a point on the so A is a point on the circle. So OA is the radius and this point is also the radius O to this point. So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 2. So the radius is square root of 2. So this part is square root of 2. So the limit is 1 to square root of 2. Now integrate this number 2 minus x square, the expression. So you'll get 2x minus x cube divided by 3, and the limit is 1 to square root of 2 pi 2 multiplied by square root of 2 minus square root of 2 cube, that is you will get 2 square root of 2 divided by 3 minus excess 1 means you'll get a negative 2 here, and this will become positive. So 1 over 3. This is equal to pi 2 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 2 multiplied by square root of 2 over 3 gives 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square root of 2 over 3 minus, here a minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 over 3. So we need the answer pi over a. So pi over 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 5. This is the volume where a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2. Yes, c equal to 2 and d is equal to 5. The next part of the question is find an exact expression for the perimeter of the shaded region. So for the shaded region we have to find the perimeter. So let us mark this position as this point as C. So we have to find out what is AD, and we know the value of A is 1, 1. So AD is 1. Then DC. OC is the radius of the circle. So the radius is square root of 2. So DC is OC minus OD, and OD is also 1. So square root of 2 minus 1. Then you have to find out the arc length AC. To find the arc length, I will join O and A. So we have to find out this angle in order to calculate the arc length. So here we see there is a right angle triangle. So we can calculate the angle AOD. For that OD is 1 and AD is also 1. And we know OA is square root of 2 because OA is the radius. So we'll use sine theta. Sine AOD equal to opposite, that is AD, 1 over square root of 2. So the perimeter is AD plus DC plus arc length AC. And we know AD is 1 and DC is square root of 2 minus 1. Then we have to find out the arc length. So for arc length, it is the formula is r theta. We know the radius is square root of 2, and the angle is, we will use angle AOD is sine AOD equal to 1 over square root of 2. So AOD is sine inverse of 1 over square root of 2. So sine inverse of 1 over square root of 2. So which is nothing but pi over 4. So minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. You will get square root of 2 plus square root of 2 multiplied by pi over 4. So you can take out square root of 2 commonly outside of the bracket. So 1 plus pi over 4. This is the perimeter. Coordinates of points A, B and C are given where P is a constant. Given that AC and BC are equal in length, find the value of the fraction P. So here coordinates are given and we have to find out AC and BC, and it's given both are equal in length. So if you equate that one, then you will get the value of the constant P. And AC values, this is A and this is C. The distance formula is square root of 2P minus 5 the whole square plus P minus 2. So it will become plus 2 the whole square equal to square root of, now BC. You have to find the distance of B and C. So 2P minus 10 the whole square plus P minus 3 the whole square. So take out the square root on both the side. So to remove the square root, let us square both the side. So we will get it 2P minus 5 the whole square plus P plus 2 the whole square equal to 2P minus 10 the whole square plus P minus 3 the whole square. Now let us expand this one. 4P square minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 4 and multiplied by 5 is 20P plus 25 plus P square plus 4P plus 4 is equal to 4P square minus 40P plus 100 plus P square plus 9 minus 6P. Four P squared plus P squared is 5P square minus 16P plus 29 equal to 5P square minus 46P plus 109. So now take a P square and P term in one side and the constant 29 and 109 in another side. So 5p square minus 16p. Bring that right hand side 5p square also, this side 5p square minus 46p. When it comes to this side, it will become plus 46p equal to 109 minus 29. This is equal to 80. And here 5p square get cancelled. Minus 16p plus 46p, so 30p. So p is equal to 80 over 30, or can be written as 8 over 3. The next part of the question is, it is now given instead that AC is perpendicular to BC and that P is an integer. Find the value of P. Now BC is there and AC is perpendicular to BC. So this is E. And we know if two lines are perpendicular, their gradient, the product of their gradient is equal to -1. So gradient of AC multiplied by gradient of BC. -1. So AC, gradient of AC is C is 2p comma p. A is 5 comma minus 2. And for C 2p comma p, and B is 10 comma 3. Gradient of AC is y2 minus y1, that is p minus of minus 2, it will become plus 2 over 2p minus 5 multiplied by gradient of BC is p minus 3 over 2p minus 10, which is equal to -1. Now multiply the numerators and take the denominator to the right hand side. So p square plus 2p minus 3p minus 6 equal to minus 1 multiplied by 4p square minus 10p minus 20p plus 50. P square minus p minus 6 equal to minus 4p square minus 10p and minus 20p. So minus 30p multiplied by -1, you will get plus 30p -50. Now bring all the p terms into one side, or bring everything to the one side, so we will get a quadratic equation. So p squared minus p minus 6 plus 4p square minus 30p plus 50 equal to 0. 5p square minus 31p plus 44 equal to 0. So now Let us solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So P is equal to minus of minus 31, so plus 31 plus or minus square root of 31 square 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 44 divided by 2 multiplied by 10. So P is equal to, on simplification we are getting P is equal to 4 and 11 over 5. So it's given find the value of P. That means we have to find one value of P, and it's given P is an integer. So we are taking P value as 4. The next part of the question is find the equation of the circle which passes through A, B and C, giving your answer in the form x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where A, B and C are constants. So 3 points are there. Let us first find out the distance between AB, BC and CA. AB is equal to, so I have written A, B, C value here. For C, we are taking the P value as 4. So 2P is 8, comma 4. So C coordinate is 8, comma 4. So AB is 3 minus of minus 2. So 3 plus 2, the whole square, plus 10 minus 5, the whole square, which is equal to 5 square plus 5 square, that is 25 plus 20 square root of 50. Next, BC. Four minus 3, the whole square, plus 8 minus 10, the whole square, which is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square. 1 plus 4, 5, square root of 5. Next, AC. So 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2, the whole square, plus 8 minus 5, the whole square. So 4 plus 2, the whole square is 6 square. 6 square plus 3 square, that is 9. 36 plus 9, which is equal to 45. By looking at the value of A, B, BC and AC, we see that it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB is the hypotenuse. So angle at C is 90 degree. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So that means AB is the diameter of the circle. So AB is the diameter of the circle Then if you find the center of AB, that is the center of the circle. So to find out the center of the circle, we will find out the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB is, first you have to find the x coordinate. So 10 plus 5 divided by 2, comma 3 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 over 2, comma 1 over 2. So now we know the midpoint of the circle, and we know the radius also. Radius is half of the diameter, that is AB divided by 2, which is nothing but square root of 50 divided by 2. So the equation of the circle is x minus 15 divided by 2 the whole square plus y minus 1 over 2 the whole square equal to r square. So 50 divided by 2 the whole square. Let us expand this one. We'll get it as x square minus 2 multiplied by 15 over 2. The 2 gets cancelled, so we'll get minus 15x plus 15 over 2 the whole square plus y square minus the 2, and this 2 gets cancelled, so you will get minus y plus 1 over 2 the whole square equal to 50 divided by 4. Now bring everything to one side. X square plus y square minus 15x minus y plus 225 divided by 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 50 over 4 equal to 0. So this is x square plus y square minus 15x minus y plus 225 plus 1 226 minus 15 176 divided by 4 is 44 equal to 0.